Hello, I'm going to review SheVitality Cellulite Relief. Is legit or scam? So, the SheVitality Cellulite Relief Kit is marketed as a non-invasive treatment designed to reduce the appearance of cellulite through massage tools and topical creams. Pros: combines physical stimulation, for example massager or suction cups, with active skincare, which may temporarily improve skin texture. Easy to use at home, often marketed with natural or plant-based ingredients. Cons: limited clinical evidence supporting long-term cellulite reduction from such kits. Results can vary greatly and the effects are usually temporarily unless combined with lifestyle changes. Some users report overhyped marketing claims and issues with product effectiveness. In conclusion, while the SheVitality or Cellulite Relief Kit may offer short-term cosmetic improvement, it lacks strong scientific backing for lasting results. Buyers should manage expectations and research reviews before purchase.